Hey, in this video I'll explain how to launch a web server application through Amazon EC2 instance. First, visit the website aws.amazon.com and sign into the console. Once it is loaded, if you don't have an AWS account, you can create a new AWS account, or if you already have one, then you can log in through your credentials. I'm logging with my credentials. Once you logged into the AWS account, click on the services tab, and in the compute section click on EC2. Once it is loaded, you can see there are no running instances. You need to create a new instance. Click on the launch instance right here, and you have to choose an Amazon machine image. Here I am choosing Amazon Linux free tier eligible AMI. I am selecting that Amazon Linux AMI default one, and I am choosing the instance type as default one, free tier eligible, as you can see, t2.micro type. And after that I am clicking on next, configure instance details. Here I am leaving the default options only. I am not changing any configuration details. And next I am clicking add storage. Here I am not changing any details, and I am clicking on add tags. Here I am giving the tag value as cmpe281lab1, cmpe281lab1, and I'm clicking on the next, configure security group. Here I'm creating a new security group, and I'm allowing SSH client and also HTTPS and HTTP for the security purposes. And once you're able to choose this, you can click on review and launch. Here, as you can see, check whether you have all the selected options available in this. Once it is done, click on the launch. Here you need to create a new key pair, and I am giving the key pair as cmpe281lab1, and I am downloading that key pair. And I am giving as cmpe, and I am downloading that key pair. Once it is downloaded, click on the launch instance. Your instance is successfully launched. You can see the view instances. As you can see, this is the instance which we have created right now, cmpe281lab1, and it is initializing. And you need to download PuTTY and PuTTY-GEN software for interacting with the Amazon EC2 instance. PuTTY is a software which we use for interacting with the remote EC2 instance. So our instance is running right now, so you can open the PuTTY-GEN software and you can load the key pair which we have downloaded right now, that is cmpe. We have downloaded cmpe.pem file, and you can save the private key. I'm saving it as cmpe281lab1 file. Once it is done, open the putty.exe software, click on the SSH and authorization. Here you need to load the private key for authentication, the one which we have converted to ppk file, cmpe281 right now. Load this. Once it is done, click on session and you need to choose host name ec2 user at, give the IP address of the running instance. The running instance IP address is, copy this, and paste it here. Once it is done, click on open, click on has. Now I am able to log in to Putty. Once you are able to log in, change it to super user mode. Now we are in super user mode and need to update sudo yum update. This will update all the files. Now it is complete, and now I am installing yum install Apache server. So it is, installation is complete and I am running the Apache server, and now it is running. And once it is running the server, you can copy the IP address of the instance and open it in the browser. Now you can be able to see the Amazon Linux AMI test page, which is a default page for the Apache web server. Now I am stopping the web server. Once you click on the stop button, the Amazon, you can reload that Amazon EC2 page. Now it is stopping. The instance is stopping. See, you cannot able to see that page right now, the default page. Now I'll again start the server. Now it is in the pending state. Now it will the instance is running now, and when you click on reload, now you can able to see the Amazon Linux default test AMI page. Now you can paste the IP address now. Now I'm connecting again, commenting. I'm browsing, I'm loading the keypair file to the PuTTY instance. cmpe281lab1 file, and once it is loaded, click on sessions, ec2 user hat the IP address, make sure that port number is 22 and connection type as SSH, and click on open. Now select yes. Now go to the super user mode and click on the service start. Now the Apache server is running. Now you can see the Amazon Linux AMI test page. Now I am changing that home page by going to this particular folder from PuTTY, www.html, and I'm changing index.html, and here I am editing my default HTML page. Welcome to Amazon EC2 instance, and I'm closing the body and HTML, and I'm clicking Ctrl X for exit, and I'm saving the file. And once it is done, now I'm reloading the web page. As you can see, welcome to Amazon EC2 instance, which I have provided. The HTML file has been loaded. Now you can measure the metrics monitoring using the CloudWatch. You can check the performance. I'll show how to check the performance, CPU utilization, different metrics you can choose. For example, CPU utilization, this is a metric, and as you can see, last hour and I'm selecting maximum. As you can see, the line maximum CPU utilization in the last 1 hour, and you can also go to the CloudWatch metrics. You can see all the CloudWatch metrics by selecting different metrics here. Here I'm choosing EC2 and per instance metrics, and I'm choosing CPU credit balance, CPU credit usage. You can choose whichever I'm choosing network packetting, discrete ops, discrete OPS, and these are the metrics I'm choosing. As you can see, the graph has been created with different lines. And for different like for example, the orange color line is CPU credit balance. These are the different lines. You can also see stacked area if you want to see, and you can change the graph as per your requirements. This is a number, and you can give the dashboard a name and save it if you want. That's all. It is displaying all the CloudWatch monitoring details. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.